everyone. So we are sitting on the floor. It was just the easiest way to film in my boyfriend's guest room. So we're just gonna roll with it. Also, yes, I have a makeshift splint in on my finger just to keep it straight. I'm totally fine. I'm just trying to heal a cut that's like right at the bend of my finger and it's not healing, so that's why that's there. Okay, let's move on. So what we have here is the freebie travel case that came with my Ulta order. I have a full video on everything that's in here. If you guys want to see what I got for free from Ulta, go check out that video. You guys can see everything. So I'm actually going to empty this out, and I'm actually going to put aside some of the things that I think I might want to bring while I'm away visiting my boyfriend's family for the holiday. So I might speed up this part and then we're gonna go through my actual makeup bag here, see what I'm actually bringing. Okay, so we have this completely emptied. Again, this is from Ulta and I love how fun this is. The navy blue color and it's like a PVC material and it's easy to wipe down and clean, and it has like these gorgeous holographic stars. So this is a really spacious makeup case. It's about 2 inches tall and you guys can see tons of space in there. Okay, so I think we're just going to go through what I really want to bring from my makeup bag and see how much space is left for my skincare and some other things that I might need. So let's jump right into it. The first thing I'll probably bring is my Hourglass palette. This is the ambient lighting palette and that's my shirt. I'm wearing a Nike shirt, but I use this all the time. It has everything I need for my face. Blushes, bronzer is running low. My highlighter, my under eye setting powder I mean is running low, but I have it full size right here, so I'll probably bring that. But setting powders and highlighters, like I just love this palette. It's so easy and definitely worth the money. Bring this. I use this all the time. You guys can see I've hit pan on it, so I think I'm gonna bring it just because this one is like really low. So I think I will bring that. Then for foundation, I have been wearing these two from the drugstore, the L'Oreal True Match Nude Serum Foundation, and then the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. Honestly, I think I'm going to bring this one because this is glass, it's heavy, it's bulky, and this one's plastic and it's light, and I actually really like it. Great coverage. And I'm thinking, oh, primers. Let's do like face, right? Face products. So typically I would use these primers. I'm trying to finish them up. This is the Essence Watermelon Glow Serum Primer. You guys can see I've used probably half of it. And then the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I love these, but again, this is glass, so I think I'm gonna put this aside and instead bring this one, which I actually got for free in this free gift from Ulta. The e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, super similar to the Milk Hydro Grip. I've used that one before and it's so similar, if not better. So I'm definitely gonna bring that. Do I wanna bring this? This is amazing for texture and just to really give me that flawless finish, but I don't know if I would need it. So I'm gonna put this on the side. Okay, next thing I typically go in with is concealer. I'm definitely bringing these two. Charlotte Tilbury color corrector in medium number 2. So I'm definitely bringing that. And then the e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer. And I use medium peach and love this. Totally coming with me. So after I do my concealer, face, eyes, oh, bronzer. For bronzer, I have been using this mini travel size Benefit Hoola. You guys can see I've hit pan. You guys, these little samples have so much product in them, and this is a $30 bronzer full size, but this has lasted me months, like from springtime, and I'm still using it. So don't sleep on these sample sizes, and they're great for travel. So I'm bringing that bronzer. And then my other face products like blush, everything is in here. So I guess we're going on to eyes or eyebrows. Let's do eyebrows. So actually, I think I'm gonna bring this. This is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. It's a sample size, so it's great for travel. So I'm gonna bring that along with my powder puff. This is from La Mer, but yeah, I'm gonna bring this as well. So I just use it with this powder. And okay, now eyebrows. So I've been using this, the e.l.f. Brow Lift. This clear brow gel is so good. I love it. I've been using just this and a little bit of the brow powder. I used to use pencils and markers and all this stuff, but I've been loving that fluffy brow, so I'm taking that. And then I'm also gonna take my Benefit brow powder, and this one's in number 5. These last so long. I barely hit pan, and yeah, color 5. So we'll take that. So eyebrows. Now mascara. I'm gonna bring my L'Oreal Lash Paradise because this is waterproof. So I definitely want a waterproof option. And do I want to? I think one mascara is fine. I don't need 2. Eyeshadow. So I haven't been wearing that much eyeshadow, but I got this recently. So I'm going to show you that in a second. But I'm going to bring this Stila. It's the Single Shadow in Puppy, but it's a basic matte brown color. I just want to keep it simple when I'm visiting my boyfriend's family for the holiday. Like, we're going to be there over Thanksgiving break, and I'm not going to do crazy eyeshadow. So I'm bringing this matte brown color for all over my lid. And then this is from ColourPop. This is called Ritz. It's the Super Shock eyeshadow. This is probably one of the most gorgeous eyeshadow toppers. I would call it a topper because it's very like sparkly and it's like more the sheer side, but it's the perfect like glistening lid color. If you guys want that like glittery lid, oh, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna do this and this all over my lids, like this first and then this on top, but like look at that glitter. So yeah, totally bringing those. Okay, what else do we have in here? We definitely need eyelash curler, so that can go in there. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot I had this mini NARS Laguna bronzer. I don't need 2. I already have 2 bronzers, so I don't need that. I think that's all for eyes. Oh, I will bring a liquid liner. This is by Milani, the Milani liquid eyeliner. I just in case. I don't really wear too much eyeliner, but I'm gonna bring that. Oh, you know what I will bring though? This pencil liner. Sorry, my makeup bag is so dirty. This is the Bare Minerals waterproof eyeliner. I think it's just like a charcoal color. Let me see. Yeah, it's just like a charcoal gray. So I'm gonna bring that because the one I've been using is so small. I don't even know if I still have it in here. Maybe not. Oh, so the one I've been using is this one, and it's like a purple color, but it's getting so small, so I'm going to use this Bare Minerals one because I have it and I need to use it up. Okay, so I think that's it. Mascara, eyeliner. Oh, you know what? I will bring this. This is NARS, a NARS eyeliner, and it's for like the waterline. It's like that fleshy color, so I love this because it's going to brighten up my under eyes. So I'm definitely gonna bring that. Can't go wrong with a clear gloss. My Sephora clear gloss, one of my favorites. It's super, super shiny. I love this. So we're taking that. Lip liners, I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever ones because they're my favorite. This one is the Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut 606. And then Makeup Forever Total Taupe in 508. I use this more as like a shadow outline to create like the fuller look. So yeah, we're gonna take those. And then for glosses, I think I'm gonna keep it simple with these NYX glosses. I have more glosses in my purse, but so yeah, I think I'm just gonna take these two neutral glosses from NYX. This one is in Madeline, and then this one is in Bit of Honey. So I have more glosses in my purse, so I'm sure I'll have more options, but these two are perfect. I think that's pretty much it. Everything else in here I don't really need, and plus I need to wash this. I'm gonna have my brushes in like a different case, so they won't be in here, but I think we still have a bunch of space. So let me just like organize this really fast, like do some stacking moments up here, or let's do the concealer, maybe all like the lip products there. Okay, just so we can create some space and some room. Some of the samples that I think I'm gonna bring for this holiday weekend, some eye patches just in case I want to, like, you know, refreshen my under eyes. These are from Pure, and they are the Hydrogel eye patches, so I think we'll take those. We'll just put those on the bottom. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna take these supplements. They are bloating supplements for digestive problems. So just in case I eat too much, I can take one of these. So I think that would be helpful. Now, skincare, I think I'm gonna take these minis that I got in the free gift. Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Face Cleanser. I think that would be perfect. And then we have also this makeup remover, Bliss Makeup Melt Jelly Cleanser. Do I need two cleansers? Probably not. But you know what? I'm gonna take the Bliss one. We'll put this to the side. We'll try that later. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna take this serum. This is by Vichy, and it's their hyaluronic serum. So, just looks like this. Perfect little baby travel size, and again, just for hydration, nothing crazy. I'm gonna be with his family for I think 4 days, 3 nights, so this is gonna be more than enough. Moisturizer. So there was these actually 3 moisturizers. That's not a moisturizer. Where's the other one? Oh, right here. 3 moisturizers in the sample bag, and there's a Vanilla & Co. one, a Bobbi Brown one, and the La Roche-Posay one. So I think we'll try the Bobbi Brown one another time. This one really intrigues me, this Dear Hydration one. And then the La Roche-Posay, I've used this moisturizer before, and I really like it. It is the Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. I think since we're doing the Vichy serum, I'm going to stick with the family. Vichy and La Roche-Posay are like the same family or brand. They like own each other or something. They're sister brands. But I'm going to use this. I'll try this one another time. Okay, and then we have some room, so I'm gonna throw in this hair product. It's a hair oil from Ouai. I love hair oils to finish off my look, so that's gonna be great for just easy, simple, and it's so tiny. And then I think I'm gonna throw in these. It's the shampoo and conditioner by Derma E. I love the size of these. This is again gonna be more than enough for me to be away for again 4 days. Just gonna stick those in there. And y'all, we have so much space left in here. I can honestly fit so much more. I could bring a toner. I did get this toner in the free gift, but it's kind of big. But I also got this, which is the Pixie Glow Tonic. So that's also an exfoliating toner. You know what? This one's so much smaller, and I think I'm gonna take that. So I think that's everything. Is that everything? Skincare, makeup. We're keeping it simple, guys. So that is pretty much everything that I am bringing to spend the holiday with my boyfriend's family. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. What do you guys bring? Do you guys bring more than this, less than this? I'm trying to keep it simple, right? I'm trying to keep things simple. So I'll just have this and then my brush bag. And yeah, I think I did really well. Do you guys think this is too much? Or do you bring more? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know. Leave any requests as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe here, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!